This is the framework that we've been in now for the last week and a half. We're rallying up to the 421.29 formation, then in the low 440s, I believe, or upper 430s, able to contain weekly highs. This is a 2 to 3 week swing trade, below which 369.64 in reach. Over the next 2 or 3 weeks, you can see we'll be in kind of the mid to upper 320s on this particular formation. So it could be quite a bit lower than 369.64. What we're really doing is following this formation, the base of it, south until we test it, and then we take profits at the channel bottom. On the way down, there is a 372.73. Will be considered a respectable support level. We may reduce it to session containment only on the way down because it really is this channel bottom that we're looking for. Another thing that needs to be mentioned, on Thursday we close at 411, or roughly right around 411.67. And if we close Friday today below 414.18, we have ourselves a sell signal on the weekly chart. And so what this does is it affirms really the sell signal status that we're in right now. 369.64, a 2 to 3 week target. On the way down, we do have this 390.12. It actually held the lows in a couple of weeks ago. A 3/8 downside Fibonacci from that April low against the more recent December high. If we close below 390.12, that is another rationale to go short. So if you wanted to add to your short position, or if you've yet to go short and we close below 390.12, which is not likely to happen today, but if over the next few days, that affirms really this 369.64 as a realistic objective, and that could be within just a week or two of closing below 390.12. 369.64 is dropping and will converge in early to mid-March with this rising speed line at 350.54, and it will converge with this rising channel bottom at 319.55. When you combine everything from near term to the big picture that we're looking at right now, I've been saying for a month that if we close below the 414.18 channel bottom on a weekly basis, and we could do it today, and it would be the first time we actually would close below that 414.18 channel bottom, that in itself is an indication of 319.55. It's not so much a 319.55, but more of like a 330s objective, which lines up pretty well with this descending channel bottom that will be by the middle of March in the 330s anyway. So holding below 429.29 will keep the 330s in reach over the next month or two, and that becomes underscored with a settlement today below 414.18. Please click like, share, subscribe.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high-probability stock picks each week, complete with entry, stop, and targets. Standout names we've covered include GE Vernova, AMD, and Robinhood. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.